48 degrees out. Got the cold air intake pulling in some nice ambient temperature. Pretty sure I'm gonna need a retune, guys, but I'm not really worried about it right now because I'm not gonna be driving this car in the winter. A lot of people are saying that this car doesn't have a VTEC crossover, guys. Well, it's at 4,200. I don't know, I heard that. Less audible than the K20. You guys seen the title of the video. We're gonna rip some REV Limiter today, bring it up to, I'm only at 7,600 RPMs right now, guys. Just kind of keep it safe. Honda recommends, I was looking at most of their base maps and I seen like a forum online and they did a TSX 0405 and they had the max, basically max REV Limiter red line at 7,600 RPMs. Kind of sketchy with the 24, like even when you're bringing it that high, everything is moving so fast. And I think they have like the fastest piston speeds out of all the K-Series engines. So I want to keep it safe, play it cool. Do a little third gear here. Dude, this thing's a little freight train. I've been calling it the little freight train lately. Definitely gets up and goes for what it is. I don't care what anybody says. NA, this thing is a blast. I can only imagine what it would do with a Type S pump and like cams. To clear up some confusion, guys, I'm not going cams. I'm probably never gonna go cams on this thing. If I did upgrade the cams, it would be 06 to 08 intake camshaft from the 06, 08 TSX, and that's all I would do. I don't want to throw too much money at it all at once, but now that I know that the K24 platform is what I prefer, I know what I need to do for my next build if anything happens to this one. But yeah, in terms of boost, I mean, a lot of you guys are wondering why I kept the full K24 long block while I was planning on going turbo. When I really mess with my compression and throwing a K20 head on, I don't know if it would bump it up a little bit more, but I wanted to keep full stock compression, K24 long block. Other thing, I was at a car wash and it had one of those channels, guys. And when I was getting bumped off the end of the channel, it scraped my wheels, guys. So technically, I curbed my freaking XXR. Only one of them, thank God. But still, the fact that I did that just pisses me off. But it wasn't even my fault, because when it pushed me off the channel, the steering wheel turned and it grinded against the channel. So, all right, let's go do some pulls, guys. Still so curious to see what this car makes for torque. It's like right when you get to its power band, the first VTEC crossover's at 42. You mash it at like 4 grand, it's just goes. And you shift tire spin, man. Like, this thing is no joke, dude. Me, guys, I wanted to keep going, but I thought that was a cop. I don't need any speeding tickets. This is for all you who say I don't hit REV Limiter. That was dope. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, hitting some REV Limiter and just having another fun time in the K24A. We'll want to do the top speed run, guys. I have some more plans for this car. I'm going to make a separate video for that. I don't want to spill too much beans right now in one video, but be sure to give me a like, guys, if you enjoyed it. Drop all your love down below. Guys, what are you revving your stock K24s to? Stock oil pump, stock bottom end? I want to know. Drop it down below. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Peace out.